In this video, I'm going to share with you how to change your YouTube channel name. Okay, so first you click here and you click on view the channel, then click on customize channel. You see it right here, customize channels. Sorry, my internet connection is a little bit slow. Then you can see it right here. Either it is in branding or basic info, and it is in basic info. And here is the name. You can type anything in here that you would like it to be, and you also can change the description to let people know what your channel is about. Then this is your channel URL, the links to your social page or your website. You can add many links. You also have your contact info, and after you have done with everything, you can click on this publish button here, and it will ask you for a verification process, and just follow through and everything will be fine. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.